I'm really excited to open this. So let's see what's in the box. I got my blow dryer. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited about this blow dryer. You have no idea. I'm excited. All right, y'all, so we are going to jump right into this. I am using some Chi thermal protectant spray, and that is just to help protect my hair against the heat from using the blow dryer. I am going to use my wide tooth comb to just make sure that I get the heat protectant evenly throughout all of my hair, so every strand is protected. And my hair is already detangled, so that's pretty easy. And here is the good part. So y'all, I have been wanting to try this Pattern Beauty blow dryer for so long, and I finally went ahead and purchased it, and I'm so happy that I did. As you're watching right now, you can see I am using the wide tooth comb that it actually comes with. It actually comes with 4 different attachments. So it comes with a brush, a wide tooth comb, a concentrator nozzle, and a diffuser as well, which is really nice. So you have multiple ways that you can use this blow dryer. And y'all, this blow dryer is so good. It also has 3 different settings for the heat and 2 different settings for the actual speed of the blow dryer. So if you like low blow dry settings, you can do that, or if you like high blow drying settings with the higher heat, you can do that as well. Right here, I started off using the low setting, and it did an amazing job just blowing my hair out. As you can see, it was really easy to use. One of the key things that I love about this blow dryer is the fact that the combs do not fall off. Like, the attachments stay on because they're actually locked on to the blow dryer, which is so awesome. And look at that, y'all. My hair is smooth, and so now I am transitioning from the wide tooth comb to the brush attachment. And y'all, this was a game changer for me. So the brush attachment, it almost like smooths out your hair. So when I used the wide tooth comb, that made my hair dry, like it got the wetness out. But once I used the brush after the wide tooth comb, that kind of just gave me an even more sleek, blowed out look. And y'all, I was blown away. For lack of better words, I was blown away by the results, and it's so easy to use. Another great thing about this blow dryer is it does not get hot. So as I'm blow drying my hair, the actual blow dryer, it doesn't get hot. The attachment wasn't hot, the blow dryer itself wasn't hot. So whenever the blow dryer like might have touched my neck, or if my hand touched it, I wasn't burned or anything because it did not get hot. And just look how smooth my hair is after using that brush. And it's elongated, it's bouncy, it's light. I mean, this blow dryer is the bomb. So now what you're looking at is my hair all the way blown out. Another great feature about this blow dryer is that it has a cool shot, and that's what you see me using here. So I'm using the cool shot button and just doing a cool burst of cool air throughout my hair, just to kind of lock in me finishing blow drying my hair. And y'all, I cannot say anything bad this is one of the best purchases that I have made thus far, as far as hair accessories go, hair products, whatever you want to call it. This blow dryer is definitely worth every single penny. I cannot wait to use it to diffuse when I do a wash and go. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And just look how smooth and sleek and fluffy and bouncy my hair is. Like, I could not have asked for better results. And I mean, it didn't take me a long time. It actually cut my blow dry time down, even with me using the two different attachments. I mean, this blow dryer was amazing and I love it. So if you haven't tried it, I would definitely say it's worth the investment. If you are in if you're in the need for a blow dryer, definitely check out the Pattern Beauty blow dryer. You will not regret it.